Hi guys.
Di ana pud ta karon sa kuan. Unboxing na naman. Oh, dara pud may unboxing ta karong adlaw. Ang tawbaw. Ito niya. Kuan ni siya. Uy. Unboxing na po. Wait, sabi na careful. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's a nice one.
Wow, what is this, man? The phone?
No, it's not. Wow, it's big, Sabrina.
It's
And
for
a
your
lot.
school, right?
Yeah, it's like I'll show you. So, yan guys, so, yung chart.
Oh, here they have letters, man. Letters.
And here you go.
Now,
It's
do you
so
want me to
nice.
help you build it?
No, I will.
Build it at home?
No, English na Bisaya ta oy. No, English na pod. Bisaya lang. Tapos ko lang. Wait. For this one, let me open. Uh-oh. How big is this one? Okay, ito open. Let me open.
Wow.
Oh, they are rough. Word family. Mani siya. Then ay mga butangan ng chart. Hala. Nice. Yan o. Then, naa siya'y kanang free nga mga letters. Then, mga, you know, mga words also. Wait lang, don't touch. Ayan o. Pagoy, kanindot good ani. So, anya. Kung gusto mo magsuwat o kanang dono, dili. Sentence, di ara. Man siya dili magsulog sentence. Kanindot. Nice. So, mura to guys. Mura to more boxing karong adlaw. Bye! Our family is like